NFPA 79, the Electrical Standard for Industrial Machinery 2021 edition, Section 9.2 3.3 addresses electrical parts in nonmetallic enclosures. This section states that nonmetallic enclosures that contain electrical parts that operate at 50 volts or higher shall be constructed with a flame-retardant material, often abbreviated as FR, having a limiting oxygen index, often abbreviated as LOI, of not less than 28 per ASTM D2863. Additionally, the material shall not be capable of sustaining combustion under test conditions in accordance with ASTM D2986. This provision applies to all electrical components mounted within the enclosure, including the back panel, which is sometimes referred to as a subplate. Therefore, if a plastic back panel is used in a project and it does not meet the flame retardant requirements specified in NFPA 79, it is not compliant and should be replaced with a material that does meet the specified requirements. To elaborate further, the limiting oxygen index, or LOI, is a measure of the minimum concentration of oxygen expressed as a percentage that will support combustion of a material. A higher LOI indicates that the material is more flame retardant. The standard ASTM D2863 is a test method used to determine the LOI of a material. The standard ASTM D2986 provides a test method for evaluating the ability of a material to resist combustion under specific test conditions. Compliance with NFPA 79 is essential for ensuring the safety of industrial machinery and personnel. Using the appropriate materials for electrical enclosures and back panels helps to prevent electrical fires and other hazards. When selecting a material for an electrical enclosure back panel, it is important to verify that it meets the flame retardant requirements of NFPA 79 and has the appropriate LOI. Documentation from the material supplier should be available to confirm compliance. In summary, ensure that all electrical components operating at 50 volts or higher are housed in nonmetallic enclosures constructed of flame-retardant material with an LOI of 28 or higher, as per ASTM D2863, and that the material does not sustain combustion under ASTM D4986 test conditions. This includes the back panel or subplate of the enclosure.